Horsa Grow is a small, medium-sized company in northern Italy, based in Turin, and my role is delivery director of the Turin branch of Horsa Grow, which mostly operates in Salesforce projects for medium-big Italian companies. PDF Butler was the best solution we ever found for document management in Salesforce. It allowed us to lower down the coding needed for document management and to deliver projects in a more efficient and cleaner way. We helped the customer in document generation by using PDF Butler and by making many different templates for different world regions and product lines. Then the client had the need to make their customers sign off the document because they rarely signed it off before the order receival. So Sign Butler was a groundbreaking solution for this because they now receive the signed order directly inside of Salesforce. We worked together with PDF Butler starting from the very beginning on this customer, by assessing the client's needs and requirements on a starting discovery phase. Then we were given many advices by PDF Butler on the best product fit for the client needs and the best technical approach that we could use to make a good project in an easy way on the client. One groundbreaking solution was the Butler Academy that allowed us to find the right contents and materials and video just to solve the specific problems we found on this project. And the result for this client was not only a working solution, but even a flexible framework that can now be evolved without starting from scratch. Partnering with PDF Butler, we can focus on strategic processes that couldn't be fully covered in Salesforce without custom coding solutions or third-party tools. In these projects we were always supported when needed by PDF Butler support team. That is another key aspect of the relation with PDF Butler. They always notice a cost reduction in process governance and process management, and they always notice and give us a feedback of a very good solution and a very flexible solution.